Well, so much for, dang mosquitoes. So much for having corn out here in my feeder. So right there is my cell cam, and I seen the video. I'll put it up right here. Of bears coming in, and then you see a bunch of corn on the ground. And I thought they shook the feeder. You know, probably wouldn't take long. Shake the feeder a few times, get a good amount of corn to come through. Well, here's all the corn. No, they didn't shake the feeder. The mama bear tore. Oh, there's still corn in there. That's good to know. Not enough though. She tore this thing off, broke the wire, a little cage. I mean, it's only real thin stuff. But I guess she had grabbed a hold of it. She grabbed a hold of it enough and fatigued the metal enough and broke it. Pulled the thing off. I'm getting eat up by mosquitoes. And then this thing, the control box here being heavy enough, I must not have the screws tight enough on the side, the wing nuts, and so it slid down. Which I guess that's a good thing, because it allowed her to get the corn out. See, it just slides up. Let me loosen this other one over here. It just slides up and down like that to allow it to regulate how much corn comes out. Tighten this thing back up. They've got plenty of corn for the next, I don't know, couple days at least. So the mama bear and cubs will be back. The sow and cubs will be back probably, probably every night. Get on the other side. To eat this corn. What sucks now is I got to figure out a way to fix this. I'll probably go bring some hose clamps over here tomorrow or something. Put hose clamps around it. A couple of them, hold it up like that. Because I guess she was mad that she couldn't push it over no more since I fixed that problem. So, oh well. Something else we need to fix. I mean, I know the bear's gonna tear it all to crap. It is what it is. Anyway, lots of corn on the ground. I had turkeys out here a few minutes ago. So, let's see what time it is now. 3:24. I had turkeys out here like an hour ago. But anyway, I guess let's fix this real quick and then get out of here. So yeah, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Please give me a thumbs up and a like. If you got any comments or suggestions or whatever I can do about these bears, please let me know. These bears have tore my feeder up like they tear it up like 2 or 3 times a year. Normally it's not too bad. Push it over, knock it over, tear the cage up, all that stuff. So anyway, yeah, if you have any suggestions, put them in the comment section below for me. I do appreciate it. See y'all later.